Hey folks, even though app configuration is still in preview mode, I completely agree he is a bit of a hidden gem. So, by the end of this video, I'd like you to know his top 5 most impressive features. Let's get started. So, number 5 is hierarchical namespaces. To do not have a mess, we need to group our configuration values. So, on the right side, you can see the keys that are structured into the hierarchy. At the same time, in the code, we can get a value by a key, and in this case we extract encryption equals to false. Also, we can bind a set of key values to a specific object, like database settings here, and we can even bind the entire hierarchy to our app settings object, where we have database and circuit breaker settings. And it's great, isn't it? And the feature number 4 is key labeling. So what if we want to have different configuration values for a production instance of our application? For example, we'd like to turn on encryption of our database connection. Actually, it's not a big deal. We're just adding a new value here, add value, equals to true, and we set a label production, and click apply. So now we can see that we have multiple values, one of them without label, and another one with production. And we also have to specify production here. So we are getting values with the label production as well. And if we start our application, we can see that encryption variable is now equals to true. That's it. The feature number 3 is import and export functions. So once you've decided to use app configuration with existing applications, you'll probably need to import application settings, right? So that's how it works. On the left side, you can see an app service with multiple settings. So we just open our app configuration service, click the Import Export tab, then we select our app service here, then here is, click Apply, and then we also click Apply. And now, if we open our Configuration Explorer, we can see that values are here. So, besides app service, you can also import data from configuration file or even a different app configuration service. Moreover, it works the same way for export. So, the feature number 2 is feature management. What if we want to have ability to enable or disable parts of our application on the fly? In this case, we should just add necessary features at the Feature Manager tab and then use them in the code. So here we have equals true and banner is displayed as well. Furthermore, we can even specify a date range when a feature will be enabled. In this case, the show discount banner value equals to true only from 1st to 4th August. And the latest feature I want you to be aware of for today is event publishing. So if we'd like our application reg to change key values, the only thing we need to do is just to create a new event subscription. So we open the tab Events, click Create Subscription, type a name here, review the events which we'd like to be published, and then we select the endpoint type. As you can see here, we're able to use 5 different channels for communication, and I'm going to choose Event Hubs. Once the subscription has been created, we can open the Feature Manager tab and change the Use Circuit Breaker value to off. So now, if we open Stream Analytics, we'll finally get the expected event. And that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for watching, welcome to comments, and see you soon!